as Bharat Mata finally got a freedom from the slavery, pathetic and the tormenting rule of the British rule. Lord Mountbatten, a last British Governor General of India, had transferred his power to the Indian government on the 15 August 1947. मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन इसके वास्ते निसार है मेरा मन मेरा तन. It's a momentous occasion filled with a patriotic fervor, flag hoisting, cultural events and the speeches by the leaders. We all come together to remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighters and reaffirm their commitment to a united, progressive and inclusive India. Their relentless sacrifices and efforts have given us a most precious gift of the freedom and sovereignty. So, as we all know, the 75 years are completed for our country's independence. And now, it is known as the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav is an initiative of the Government of India, which is celebrate and commemorate the 76 years of the independence and glorious history of its people, culture, heritage and achievements. Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav was started before the 75 weeks on 15 August 2022 and that is on the 12 March 2021. It is started from the Sabarmati Ashram where the Mahatma Gandhi has started there the Dandi March. Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav at the countdown of the 15 August 2023. The Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav aims to boost the further the people's movement through the collaborative campaign and outreach across the whole India and the whole world. The line of the critical theme aligns with the Panch Pran, which is announced by the Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji. The first is women and child respect. The second is tribal empowerment. The third is cultural pride and lifestyle of the environment. The fourth is health, wellness and inclusive development of the India. And the five and last is Atmanirbhar Bharat and unity. The one more step is taken towards the progress of the India and it is the Chandrayaan 3. The continuous efforts of our great scientists, the ISRO members, has resulted the success of the Chandrayaan 3. And now I can say that the Chandrayaan 3 has been successfully launched from the India to the lunar orbit. And it is only done by the great efforts of our great scientists and the blessings of God, blessings of Indians, blessings of freedom fighters and the blessings of the Bharat Mata. यह देश है वीर जवानों का, अलबेलों का, मस्तानों का. इस देश का यारों क्या कहना, यह देश है दुनिया का कहना. Some of the freedom fighters such as the Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmibai, Chandrasekhar Azad, Sukhdev, Rajguru, Bhagat Singh and the list never ends. So, let us never forget the how it was costly and difficult to achieve the freedom, to achieve the independence. As the responsible and proud Indians, it is our responsibility to uphold the democratic, secular and socially just as our idols and the forefathers envisioned. So, may the spirit of the freedom inspire us to work towards a more inclusive and the harmonious society. So, let's honor our freedom fighters, the real heroes, with the contributing the India's progress and well-being. Lastly, I would like to end my say with the little tune. जिस दिन तेरे फतेह का परचम इस मिट्टी पे लहराएगा, जिस दिन तेरे फतेह का परचम इस मिट्टी पे लहराएगा, क्या जमीन क्या आसमां ये हिंदुस्तान मिल जाएगा, ये हिंदुस्तान मिल जाएगा. तो ऐसे पावन भूमि के लिए, ऐसे महान भारत देश के लिए, ऐसे महान भारत वर्ष के लिए एक बार सभी अपने हाथ ऊपर करो, सभी अपने हाथ ऊपर करो और मेरे साथ भारत माता की जय का जय जयकार करो. और ये आवाज इतनी जोरदार होनी चाहिए कि यहाँ की आवाज मालेगांव तक पहुँचनी चाहिए. तो बोलो भारत माता की, भारत माता की, इनकलाब, इनकलाब. जय हिंद जय भारत.